Good morning, folks. We're going to take a real quick look at a home we just brought in for a customer. This is the model 5815 called the Arches, available in either a 2 or 3 bedroom layout. This particular home we've done the 2 bedroom feature in. Gives you a huge front living room. This particular customer added a wood burning fireplace here in the living room. I am just amazed at how much space there is. Up front, we'll come back here, but that's going to be the door to your front bedroom. There's also a full bath up there. But I am just really impressed with the size of this living room. And then this kitchen came out gorgeous. Did the southern yellow pine cabinetry in here. You've got a 12-door storage pantry cabinet set. Double door refrigerator, ice and water, built-in microwave. Just so pretty. I love the colors in here. Hopefully this shot will give you a look at some of the features, the arches over the eating bar, the arch that enters into the dining area, and this really large front living room. They've utilized one of our wood look flooring selections here that is just really pretty. And it comes back into the master suite, featuring the Corvado doors. So your doors have some character to them, kind of a country style door. 150-pound door hinges, cornice boxes over the windows, the crown moldings and baseboards, wood door casements. This home is full tape and texture sheetrock, has the overhead ceiling vents, so you have a lot of ease of furniture placement. You've got outlets on every wall. In fact, you've got 2 of them here on your primary wall. Another one coming back through here. It's got a good walk-in closet with the wood rods, wood shelves. Here in the master bath, they continue the theme of the southern yellow pine. Got a brick backsplash. Love the cabinets. China sinks with metal faucets, elongated commode, and a 4-foot single-piece shower. Then here is the big soaker tub with the privacy, or with the window over the top, and the little arch niche. These ceilings in here are extra tall too. They're an 8.5-foot tall ceiling, so you get a lot of volume in the home. Coming back up through the kitchen. The home features a really nice oversized laundry room as well. I kind of go back here, it's right off the kitchen. So you've got an option for a utility deep sink to go back into this area. And then it's set up with full-size washer dryer connections. Overhead shelf. You do have an option if you want to put in the cabinets overhead. You can do that. Pre-installed access panel in the laundry room, and they've shipped some extra paint for touch-up. This just really is a very impressive home. I like the outlet placement. You've got a lot of outlets here in the kitchen, even up high above the sink. The built-in microwave. All of your plugs are GFCI protected around the wet areas. It's got the Texas Star front door. Really nice size front guest bathroom. Single piece fiberglass tub shower combinations. The China sinks, framed mirrors. And look at this size of this guest bedroom. This thing is huge. I think it's a little bit bigger than the master bedroom. Love the light, lots of windows. This home shows really, really well. If you would like some more information on this home and would like to get a copy of the floor plan and pricing information, please send me an email at billw@oakcreekhomes.com or give us a call at 325-480-2014. This is Bill Wilkins at the Oak Creek Home Center. This model is the model 5815, the Arches. It's an 18 by 76 foot home.